Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。新皮乡建功村小巷弄内有一座将近100年历史的传统四合院钟家伙房，是村长钟展雄先生的老家。传统的四合院和三合院不同的地方是，三合院的开口处有时会加盖围墙，把房前的缺口补上，就称为四合院，将房屋四面围起来，形成封闭的中庭。一般而言，农家多用三合院，前面广场称为城，作为农作物曝晒场。较富裕人家或官宅多用四合院，因为有门厅与正厅缓冲，私密性较高。
In Jingong Village, Xinpi Township, there's a nearly centuries-old traditional courtyard house that once belonged to the village chief, Zhongzhang Qiong. The Zhong House is the Siheyuan style building. The main difference between the Sanheyuan and Siheyuan style house is that a Sanheyuan has 3 buildings with a courtyard, whereas the latter has 4 buildings with an enclosed space. Generally, farmers would live in the 3-building home, while more wealthy families would live in a 4-building home because it had a foyer and main hall, which provided better privacy.
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's time for Talk About Hakka on ICRT.
Hello, 大家好，我是阿斌哥 Leo.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And this whole month, we are staying in Pingdong County, 屏东县。
屏东县，
屏东县，但我们去屏东县的哪里呢？今天？
今天去新皮乡的建功村。
建功，我发觉 Leo 不只喜欢待在屏东县，而且还喜欢到新皮乡。对，
有很多特殊的东西要可以跟大家介绍。
有什么？
譬如说，这次要介绍的呢，就是总屋伙房。
总屋伙房，一个伙房啦，这以前教过，它是三合院那样子的伙房嘛，对不对？
对，但是呢，这次的这个总屋伙房它不太一样，它是四合院哦。
四合院，三合院是3面墙，3面都有建筑，四合就是包起来的意思。
对对对，它前面可能还会建一个门楼啊，什么就把它挡住了，这样隐秘性比较高。
对，
当然啦，伙房它的建筑它中间一定会留一块叫做伙堂。
伙堂。这是像一个中庭的意思了，是不是？
对，就应该算是晒谷场啦，很多收割的谷物就可以晒在这边了。
对农家人来讲就很方便了，对不对？
对啊。
OK， 所以这个四合院啊，位于我们的建功村，就叫做什么？
总屋伙房。
对，总屋伙房。So when you have time, go check it out. It's a traditional styled architecture with a lot of history over 100 years, and that does today's Talk About Hakka.
什么泰嘎？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.